ये लाइट ऑन कर दो। इसको 22 पे करना है इसी को। Good evening, students. Am I audible in the last? तुम ही हो लास्ट में। Online students, am I audible? Now here today we will cover problem based on dice. Okay, let me brief you. You got the timetable, or many of you might not be active on Telegram. So this week timetable is Monday we will cover this dice. Tuesday also this cube and dice topic. Wednesday, although like generally I used to take 2 classes on percentage, this time I have taken one PYQ extra. C, I have taken doubt session yesterday. So I got an idea like in percentage, I will take one extra class. That is extra other than your regular classes, where I will cover some extra concept of percentage. And what we have planned extra class will be on Zoom for online student. Offline student you have to come here. ठीक है? नहीं तो आप अगर कुछ issue है तो Zoom पे you will get the link. No recording of that class. Thursday, I will start reasoning topic, number series, alphabetical series. Luckily, this 2024, we got direct question, which I have asked in class test. But कुछ student आंख बंद करके test देते हैं. They were not able to solve in the exam also. Direct question, मतलब कभी कभी किस्मत साथ दे देती है. So here number series, Friday, I take coding decoding. And even coding decoding, same question has not been asked, but same pattern question has been asked in 2024. ठीक है, जो पैटर्न हमने क्लास में पढ़ा था वही पैटर्न पूछा गया लकीली. So this is your timetable. So Wednesday को extra class same time? हाँ, टाइमिंग सेम रहेगा. ठीक है. From next week we will start your mentorship session. वो मैं फ्राइडे को ब्रीफ कर दूंगा. I will brief you. अभी इस वीक से नहीं स्टार्ट कर रहे. From next week Monday onward उसका टाइमिंग will be updated to you. Don't worry. ये सेम टाइमिंग है. 5 to 7:30, 5 to 7, half an hour doubt session. 5 to 7, 5 to 7, 5 to 7. Okay. So now we start with this problem based on dice. For this problem based on dice, I have given some basic property in the last class that every cube is having 8 vertices, 12 edges, 6 faces, and there are exactly 3 pair of opposite faces. Roof is opposite of floor, this is one pair. This wall is opposite of this wall, this is second pair. And this wall is opposite to that wall, this is the third pair. So we have exactly 3 pair of opposite faces. Fine. Now here, next is the important part of this problem based on dice is examiner will give you 2 or 3 different views of same dice. Like for example, this is given 2, 4, 6, 4, 1, 5. They will say 2 different views of same dice given. What is opposite of 1, opposite of 2, opposite of 3, opposite of 4, opposite of 5, opposite of 6. They ask opposite faces. Okay. For that opposite faces, like there are 2 methods. One method is we rotate this dice and then we find. I tell you, I just brief you about rotation. See, what is this? This is 4, this is 4. We try to get this 4 in the front. Okay, we will rotate this. Just you can imagine these are the 2 pieces of paneer tikka. So we will rotate it and we try to get 4 in front. With respect to 5, we will rotate this one position anti-clockwise like this. So उससे क्या होगा, like you get one new view where you get 4 in the front, 1 at the bottom, 5 here. ठीक है, फिर इसको भी एक बार रोटेट करेंगे. But here many students, they are not comfortable with rotation, and I found in some of the question, rather than rotating the dice, we ourselves get rotated. ठीक है. So we have some shortcut where we can handle this question easily and within 2 seconds. So what we will do, first we categorize question in 2 different type. I will discuss like here type 1, type 2. So our task for this topic is we try to handle the question without rotating the dice with short trick. Now here, let me check your observation power. I tell you the type 1 question. Like these are the 2 different views of same dice are given. This is here 2, 4, 6. This is 4, 1, 5. Tell me in this what you can observe. क्या ऑब्जर्व कर पा रहे हो? अच्छा, मैं दूसरा एग्जांपल भी दे देता हूं, टाइप 2. देन यू कैन कंपेयर. टाइप 2 क्वेश्चन इज लाइक 2, 4, 6, 4, 6, 5. What is the difference here? Here in this question only face number 4 is common, whereas in this question 4 is common, 6 is also common. So what is our type 1? When only one face is common in 2 different views of same dice. When only one face is common in 2 different views of same dice. Whereas type 2 is when 2 faces are common in 2 different views of same dice. When 2 faces are common. Okay, one technique is rotation, which is not handy because you have to be very good in imagination. So here we have shortcut. I start with type 1. First I discuss type 1 15 minutes in detail. Then I take type 2 15 minutes. Basic will be done in half an hour. Then we will do miscellaneous question, our exam point of view. So let us practice question on type 1. Direct shortcut. When only one face is common in 2 different views of same dice, examiner can ask in this question what is opposite of 1, what is opposite of 2, what is opposite of 3, what is opposite of 4, what is opposite of 5, what is opposite of 6. They might ask opposite faces. So here step number 1, there are 2 steps. Step number 1, you have to see the common face, and we will start from the common face and we read this number in a clockwise direction. Just read. No need to rotate and roll. आपने सिर्फ read करना है. See here, this is 4. After 4, what we have? 2, 6. इसी पैटर्न में लिखना है 4, 2, 6. I repeat, start from the common face. 4, then after that 2, then 6. And if you are using clockwise direction, here also you have to use clockwise. You have to use the same direction and you have to start from the common. Here it is 4, 5, 1. After 4 we have 5. After 5 we have 1. Let me take 3 examples so that all of you will be comfortable. Step number 2 is, here you can conclude in this question 2 and 5 opposite, this is first pair. 100% result. Here in this question 6 and 1 will be opposite of each other, this is your second pair. 4 cannot be opposite of 4. 4 के opposite कैसे हो सकता है? Here I am using number 1 to 6. From 1 to 6, tell me what is the remaining number? 3. जो बच गया, that is 3. 4 and 3 opposite. This is the remaining third pair. So in this question, 2 and 5 opposite, 6 and 1 opposite, 4 and 3 opposite. Wait, let me take 2 more examples. Two, 3, 6. 1, 5, 3. Start with the common phase. Common phase 3, 3. No need to rotate. We have direct answer within 2 seconds. You read this number in a clockwise direction. After 3 we have 2. After 2 we have 6. After 3 we have 5. After 5 we have 1. 3 के नीचे 3, 5, 1. Same sequence. 3, 5, 1. Then here, step number 2, you can say 6 and 1 opposite. 2 and 5 opposite to each other. But 3 cannot be opposite of 3. What is the remaining number? 4. So 3 and 4 opposite. This is the third pair. Immediately we get all 3 pair without rotating this. Let me take one more example. One, 2, 3. 1, 4, 5. What is common phase? 1. 1. Step number 1, read in a clockwise direction. 1, 3, 2. Here after 1 we have 4, after 4 we have 5, 1, 4, 5. Then step number 2, you can say in this question 2 and 5 opposite, 3 and 4 opposite, 1 cannot be opposite of 1. What is the remaining number? 6. So 1 and 6 opposite. This is the third pair. We get all 3 pair within 2 seconds. I ask you 2 questions. Two, 4, 6, 3, 5, 4. Tell me what is the common phase? 4. Take your time, find all the 3 pair of opposite phases. Done? Clockwise. ठीक है, कॉमन फेस से स्टार्ट करना है और क्लॉकवाइज. माय क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज अपोजिट ऑफ 6? व्हाट इज अपोजिट ऑफ 5? व्हाट इज अपोजिट ऑफ 4? 4, 6, 2. कुछ स्टूडेंट क्या करते हैं, यहां से 3, 5, 4 नहीं, 4 से ही स्टार्ट होगा. 4 के बाद 3, 3 के बाद 5. तो 6 and 3 opposite, 2 and 5 opposite, 4 cannot be opposite of 4, remaining number 1, तो 1 and 4 is the remaining third pair, क्योंकि 4 के opposite 4 नहीं हो सकता. Opposite of 4 here we have 1. Be careful. ठीक है, बड़ा इजी चीज है, मतलब कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. One, two, three, 1, 5, 6. Online students comfortable? Done? What is opposite of 5? 3. What is opposite of 6? 2. What is opposite of 1? 4. All of you? पीछे. मेरा बेंच बैक बेंचर पे स्पेशल ध्यान रहता है, क्योंकि मैं भी रहा था. और स्पेशल एक कैमरा भी लगा रखा हमने पीछे वालों के लिए. So here 3 and 5 opposite. This is first pair. 2 and 6 opposite, second pair. 1 cannot be opposite of 1. 1 and 4 opposite. This is the third. Any doubt? So it means, can we say if we have only one phase common, we can use, I call this as master method. This is really a wonderful method, master method. We apply this and we get answer. So it means if I give you two different view of same dice and where only one face common, can you tell me all three pair of opposite faces? All of you. You start from the common face, read clockwise, and you get all the three. Okay. Now here, if you want to practice question on this, like you have handout with you. Question number 1. It is from last class. Okay. How many dot lie opposite of face having 3 dot? Examiner can use number, can use dot, can use color. So it is asked what is opposite of 3 dot. So alternate faces in a column or row always opposite. Opposite of 3 is 6. Our answer is 6. Now here question number 2. That is for your type 1. Two different position of a same dice are shown below. If digit 1 to be on the base, which one among the following digit will be on the top? Indirectly they are asking what is opposite of 1. If 1 is on the base, what will be on top? It means indirectly they are asking कि ये 1 base पे है तो top पे मतलब opposite of 1. ठीक है, this is 1, opposite of 1 we have to find. So how we can find? We try our master method or short trick. What is the common face? 1. Start from 1, read clockwise. 1, 5, 6, 1, 4, 3, 6 and 3 opposite, 5 and 4 opposite. 1 cannot be opposite of 1, 1 and 2 opposite. We get the answer. Like I take this question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is two position of a dice are shown below. 4 is at the bottom. What number will be on the top? It means indirectly they are asking what is opposite of 4. What is the common face? 1. Starting from 1, read clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Here it is 1, 6, 5. So can we say 3 and 5 opposite to each other? 2 and 6 opposite to each other, and 1 is opposite of 4 and 4 is opposite of 1. So what is opposite of 4 in this question? 1. Now here, what you do, you try question number 7. Question number 7 here is, what number is opposite 3 in the figure shown below? The given two positions are of the same dice whose each surface bear a number among 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means we are using number 1 to 6. And what is opposite of 3 in this given question? What is your answer? What is the common phase? 5. What is the common phase? 5. Start from 5, 5, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4, 2, 4 opposite, 6, 1 opposite, remaining number 3. So 3 and 5 opposite to each other. Opposite of 3, 5, opposite of 5, 3. If you are comfortable with this master method, then I will give you some extra information on this. Okay? Now, I tell you one property, property number 5. Four property I have already given in the last class. भूल जाओ पहली 4 प्रॉपर्टी, रात गई बात गई. अब प्रॉपर्टी 5 से स्टार्ट करेंगे. आपका जीवन यहीं से स्टार्ट होगा. Now here, before I dictate property number 5, I tell you very important information about this dice. This is like dice world. Dice की अपनी एक दुनिया. There are 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what type of relationship they have? They have 2 type of relationship. One you can say friend, other enemy. I consider friend in dice world is like adjacent faces. Like this roof and this wall are adjacent to each other. So I consider these are friend. Friend means adjacent. So I take it as adjacent face like friend. Enemy like opposite faces. This they are friend. They are adjacent. They can do party together. They can pass chakna, soda. Okay. But this roof and this floor are enemy. वो एक दूसरे के दुश्मन है. They are opposite to each other. So we consider opposite faces like enemy, adjacent faces like friend. And really a wonderful relationship these people they have. Just try to observe. Everyone have exactly 4 friend and 1 enemy. See this roof having this wall as a friend. This roof is having this wall as a friend. Roof is having this wall as a friend. Roof is having that wall as a friend. Roof का enemy कौन? Floor. Similarly, you check like here. This is like face number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here, if you see this face number 1 is having 4 as a adjacent, 3 adjacent, 2 adjacent, 5 adjacent. It has 4 friend. 2, 3, 4, 5. And the remaining one, face number 6, and where it is opposite, enemy. Just check. In this room, every face is having 4 friend, 1 enemy. 4 adjacent faces, 1 opposite. Check. So here, in the dice world, हर किसी के 4 friend है, 1 enemy है. Means every face is having 4 faces adjacent, 1 opposite. Is this point clear? You write this property number 5. Every face in a cube is having 4 faces adjacent to it. Pani. 4 faces adjacent to it. And remaining one will always be opposite of it. इसी को दूसरे तरीके से, every face is having only one face opposite of it and remaining 4 adjacent to it. In the last class, one student asked me, like, if sir, they ask adjacent faces, if you know opposite faces, you can tell me adjacent. If you know roof and floor are opposite, then you can conclude remaining 4 has to be adjacent, because there is exactly one enemy. Exactly one. There is not more than one enemy. Confirm. It's not like human being, where sometimes friends are enemy, enemy are friends. ये confirm है. If this roof and floor are enemy, it will remain enemy. Remaining 4 will always be adjacent. Is this point clear? Okay. How to use it? Like, for example, two, 4, 6, 4, 1, 5. My question is, find out the faces adjacent to 3. Question है, लिख लो. You have to find the faces adjacent to 3. Okay. We use master method. Common face 4, read clockwise, 4 to 6, 4, 5, 1. So 6 and 1 opposite, 2 and 5 opposite, 3 and 4 opposite. 3 का enemy कौन? 4. बाकी सारे friend. See here, if 3 and 4 are opposite to each other, opposite of 3 is 4, it means remaining 4 faces has to be adjacent to 3. What are adjacent to 3? 1, 2, 5, 6. This is your answer, or you can say other than 4. फिर ज्यादा clear होगा. Adjacent to 3, you write other than 4. Why? Because 4 is opposite or 4 is enemy. सिर्फ 4 ही 3 का enemy है, बाकी सब तो friend है. Are you getting my point? I ask you a question adjacent to 3. Indirectly, we will find adjacent to 3. We can find opposite to 3. Opposite of 3 is 4. So your answer is other than 4. 4 को छोड़ के बाकी सब adjacent है. Because 4 is the face which is opposite of 3. The remaining has to be adjacent. Getting the point? I ask you one more question. One, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. In this given figure, you have to tell me faces adjacent to 2. Faces, if we will fold it, question ऐसा होगा, the given figure, when we fold it, it become a dice, it become a box. Then what are the faces will be adjacent to 2? Faces जो adjacent to 2 होंगे. What is your answer? Can we say other than 6? My simple answer is other than 6. Why? Because 6 is opposite of 4. So you write other than 6. Because this dice world is very simple. There are exactly 4 friend, 1 enemy. जो enemy है वो enemy है, वो friend नहीं हो सकता. If here 6 is opposite of 2, 6 will never be adjacent to 2. So other than 6, 1, 3, 5, 4 will be adjacent. No need to fold it. दिमाग घूम जाएगा इसको fold करने में. This is the concept. If 6 is opposite, other than 6, all remaining 4 faces will be adjacent to 2. Is this concept clear? Now next is, I give you next property number 5. Property number 6. Property number 6 is, you write, then I will explain. if only one face is common in two different views of same dice, then we can find all the three pairs of opposite faces. I repeat, if only one face is common in two different views of same dice, we can find all the three pair of opposite faces. This is just information or concept. It will not tell you the opposite faces. For opposite faces, we have to use master method. And why I discuss this property? Because UPSC already asked question based on this property. You write example. Two, 4, 6, 4, 1, 5. Question is, are these two views sufficient to find face opposite of 6? Are these two views sufficient to find face opposite of 6? They are not asking what is opposite of 6. They are just asking, can we find opposite of 6? Your answer has to be yes or no. What is your answer? Yes. If only one face common, we can find all the three pair of opposite faces. Your answer has to be yes. How we can find? Use master method. 4, 2, 6, 4, 5, 1. So what is opposite of 6? 1. But don't tell examiner that opposite of 6 is 1. Otherwise, examiner will be jealous of your knowledge. कहेगा इसको ये भी पता है. It is in data sufficiency, it will help you. Where we find sufficiency or sufficient statement to find the answer. So here, simple concept is, if there are two views of same dice and where we have only one common face, can we find adjacent opposite faces? Yes, we can find all the three pair of opposite faces. And how we can find? Master method. My simple question to you, are these two views sufficient to find what is opposite of 4? Tell me yes or no. Yes. Are these two views sufficient to know what is opposite of 2? Yes. Are these two views sufficient to know what is opposite of 5? Yes. Are these two views sufficient to know what is opposite of 1? Yes. If only one face common, we can find. And how we can find? Master method. So here, before I take type 2 question, master method clear? Is that property clear? Everyone have exactly 4 faces adjacent, 1 opposite. There are 4 friend and 1 enemy. Just see here, this roof have this wall adjacent, this wall adjacent, this wall adjacent, that wall adjacent. What is opposite of roof is floor. ये सिर्फ roof के लिए applicable नहीं. You can concentrate on this wall also. This wall have this roof adjacent. This wall have this wall adjacent. This wall have this floor adjacent. This wall have that wall adjacent. And what is opposite of this wall? This. Everyone have exactly one face opposite and remaining 4 adjacent. Fix है. In dice, every face is having 4 faces adjacent, 1 opposite. It will help you. How it will help you, we will discuss in detail. Third thing, is this observation clear? If only one face common in 2 different views of same dice, we can find all 3 pair. Yes, we can find. Now next is type 2. Type 2 is when we have 2 faces common. Here 4 is common, 6 is also common. But what happens, some student by mistake, they apply type 1 concept. Type 1 is separate, type 2 is separate. Don't mix. Like here, some student by mistake, what they do, I tell you, by mistake, they focus on 4, they read clockwise. 4, 2, 6. 4, 6, 5. Then they say 6 and 5 opposite, 6 and 2 opposite. How it is possible? That 6 is having 2 also opposite, 6 is having 5 also opposite. How it is possible this roof is having floor also opposite and this wall also opposite? Maybe Hollywood movie. And what is important about this dice topic, they have committed relationship. Once this 2 and 6 or 6 or 5 are engaged, then 6 will not be engaged with anybody else. चाहे BMW क्यों ना हो. अगर ये रूफ और फ्लोर के बीच में आमने सामने नैन मटक्का चल रहा है तो रूफ और फ्लोर ही होएगा. दिस वॉल एंड दिस वॉल, दिस वॉल एंड दैट वॉल. सो व्हाट इज रॉन्ग हियर? Wrong application of the concept. By mistake we have used type 1 here. So this is more important. Type 1 to type 2 सीख लो, but उससे ज्यादा important क्या है? Never ever apply concept of type 1 in type 2 version. You will get wrong answer. Type 1 concept is applicable in type 1 question only, and the type 2 concept which I will teach, just wait, is applicable for type 2 only. And what is type 2? Where 2 faces are common. Here 4 is common, 6 is also common. I tell you the shortcut. So you write shortcut for type 2. Here also you can rotate this, you can roll this, you can roll yourself also. That is your problem. But my idea is I give a shortcut. What is the shortcut for type 2 question when 2 faces are common, and type 2 shortcut applicable in type 2 only? You cannot apply in type 1, type 3 or other question. What is the shortcut here? When you have 2 faces common, you cancel out. 4 and 4 cancel, 6 and 6 cancel. I repeat, 4 से 4 कट जाएगा, 6 से 6 कट जाएगा. Here we left with 2 here, we left with 5 here. You can conclude 2 is opposite of 5. Here our answer is, what is opposite of 2? 5. What is opposite of 5? 2. 2 and 5 opposite to each other. Let me take just let me take 1 or 2 extra example. One, 4, 6, 6, 1, 5. Here not only 1, 6 is also common. When 2 faces are common, step number 1, 1 and 1 cancel, 6 and 6 cancel. We left with 4 here, we left with 5 here. So what we can conclude in this question? 4 is opposite of 5, 5 is opposite of 4. So you can conclude 4 and 5 opposite to each other. I ask you a question, try, because this is very easy. Type 2 तो बहुत easy. काटना पीट नहीं है, जो ज्यादातर लोगों की हॉबी भी रहती है. 1, 5, 6, 1, 6, 3. What is opposite of 5 in the given question? So what you do? 1 and 1 cancel. 6 and 6 cancel. This is 5 here, this is 3 here. So what is opposite of 5? 3. कुछ के मन में कुछ डाउट आ रहे होंगे. Let me give you property number 7, then your doubt will be clear. पहले मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछ लेता हूं. What is opposite of 2? 4 and 4 cancel. 6 and 6 cancel. So what is opposite of 2? 1. Now you write property. कुछ के मन में कुछ डाउट आ रहा है ना, क्लियर हो जाएगा. Just write property number 7. If two faces are common, in two different views of same dice, then we cannot find all the three pairs of opposite faces. But is equally important. We can conclude only one pair of opposite faces. When one face common, we can find all three pair. जब एक फेस कॉमन होता है, हम तीनों पेयर निकाल सकते हैं by using master method. But when two faces common, you cannot conclude all three pair. Only one pair we can conclude. Here, some of you in your mind might have a question. Agar they ask what is opposite of 4, what is opposite of 6, we cannot conclude. Here we can conclude only one pair, that 2 and 1 opposite. यहां पे सिर्फ एक ही पेयर निकाला जा सकता है. That is the concept. When two faces common, we can conclude only one pair. Other two pair we cannot confirm. Just wait. Let me discuss question. Two, 4, 6. 6, 4, 5. ठीक है. First tell me what is the opposite of 2? 5. ठीक है. What is the opposite of 2? 5. Now my question is, what is opposite of 4? Answer option A 1. Answer option B 3. Answer option C 5. Answer option D either 1 or 3. Okay. See, the concept here is when two faces common, we use shortcut. What is the shortcut? Common faces you cancel out. 2 and 5 opposite, 100% confirm. There is no confusion. Then property number 7 is when two faces common, we cannot confirm all the three pair, but only one pair we can conclude, that is 2 and 5 opposite. If they ask what is the opposite of 4, you cannot confirm it is always 1. It can be 3. Okay, how I will prove? Two method. Method number 1 is for those are good in imagination. Imagination, like I will try to club this two. इसको merge करने की कोशिश करूंगा. Here you have 4, 6, 5. So try to merge. Just imagine 4, 6, 5. If you try to put like this in the same manner 4, 6, 5, 4, 6, 5. And I prove that opposite of 2 is 5. Okay. We left with two number 1 and 3. Can you confirm it is always 1 opposite of 4? You can't confirm. It may be 3. Because we left with two face, one is left, second is back, and we left with two number 1 and 3. You can't confirm what is the position of 1. Maybe 1 at back, maybe 1 on the left side. मे बी 3 at the back, मे बी 3 on the left side, but होगा 1 और 3 में से. Your answer will be out of 1 and 3 only, but you can't confirm, you can't give a guarantee that 1 is the answer. Just allow me 2 more minutes. Like for example, you got selected as IPS, ठीक है, रो में या आईबी में कुछ काम कर रहे हो या एनआईए बोल रहा हूं, आपको टास्क मिला, यू गोट ए टास्क टू फाइंड हु इज एनिमी ऑफ 4 एंड यू हैव टू टेल कंफर्म इंफॉर्मेशन. हु इज एनिमी ऑफ 4 मींस हु इज अपोजिट ऑफ 4. ठीक है, आपने अपनी जासूसी स्टार्ट की, आप बोले यार 2 तो फ्रेंड है, 6 इज ऑल्सो फ्रेंड, 5 is also friend. So you have given a report that boss 2 is friend confirm, 6 is friend confirm, 5 is friend confirm. Then your boss told, okay, but conclude me who is opposite of 4, who is enemy of 4. Then you will say, boss, there are 2 more person left, 1 and 3. There is no information about 1 and 3 in the given information. We don't have idea about 1 and 3. So if you say 1 is the enemy, then you may be wrong. पता चला 1 तो फ्रेंड था, वैसे उसका गला कटवा दिया आपने. तो can you confirm 1? No. It may be 1 or 3. So we have a answer D. So it is either 1 or 3, but you can't confirm. So what is our type 2? When 2 faces are common, we can conclude only 1 pair. For other 2, we can't confirm. हम confirm नहीं कर सकते. So here you cannot confirm it is always 1. So you can say yes, it is either 1 or 3, but I can't conclude it is always 1. Okay, let us revise the whole thing. Type 1. अच्छा, पहले टाइप 2 का क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं फ्रॉम द हैंडआउट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18, 1-8. Two position of a dice are shown below. When number 1 is on the top, what number will be at the bottom? Tell me how many common faces? 2, 4 as well as 6. When we have 2 faces common, क्या करने का है? 4 से 4 cancel, 6 से 6 cancel. So what is your answer? What is opposite of 1? 5. So 1 and 5 opposite. So if 1 is on the top, what will be at bottom? 5. Is this clear? या मैंने आपका क्वेश्चन सोल्व कर दिया? Okay. Now we revise the concept. Don't worry, we have more question for you. कभी कभी गलती से मैं इजी क्वेश्चन सोल्व कर देता हूं, डिफिकल्ट पूछ लेता हूं स्टूडेंट से. Let us revise. Type 1, when 1 face common. We apply master method. Take your time, tell me what is opposite of 2. Take time. What is opposite of 6? What is opposite of 4? 3. Start from 4, read clockwise. 4, 2, 6, 4, 1, 5, 2 and 1 opposite, 6 and 5 opposite, 4 cannot be opposite of 4, 4 and 3 opposite. Extra information in type 1, I told you that in this dice, everyone have exactly 4 friend, 1 enemy. Every face having 4 faces adjacent, 1 opposite. After that, I have given an information when only 1 face common, we can find all the 3 pair. How come? Use master method. If I ask, are these 2 views sufficient to know what is opposite of 2? Yes. Are these 2 views sufficient to know what is opposite of 5? Yes. Type 2, when we have 2 faces common. When 2 faces common, what is our shortcut? Common faces you cancel out. What we can conclude, 2 is opposite of 5. And what is the extra information on type 2? When two faces common, we cannot find all the three pair. We can conclude only one pair of opposite faces. Fine. Now I check your conceptual clarity, how much you have learned. I ask you statement based question. Statement number 1, 1, 3, 5 are on adjacent faces. Meaning hereby 1, 3, 5 are adjacent to each other. Means 1 is adjacent to 3, 3 is adjacent to 5, 1 is adjacent to 5. These are adjacent to each other. Okay. 1, 3, 5 are on adjacent faces. Second statement, 3, 4, 5 are on adjacent faces. 3 is adjacent to 4, 4 is adjacent to 5, 5 is adjacent to 3. अच्छा just wait, I tell you what is the problem with the statement. Statement में problem क्या होती है? When the dice is given and when the statement is given. When the dice is given, we know the proper position. Which face is on the top, which face is in the front, which face is on the right side. Here you cannot confirm. Like here, in this question, it can be this 1, 3, 5. 1 is on the top. But you can't deny it can be this 3, 1, 5. Here also 1 and 3 adjacent, 3 and 5, 5 and 1 adjacent. Or it may be 5 is on the top. So problem with the statement is we have limited information, means we don't know the position. We only know that 1 is adjacent to 3, 3 adjacent to 5, 5 is adjacent to 1. But still okay. Because examiner here from last 4 or 5 years, they are not giving the diagram. So they are asking question based on statement. So diagram to हमने just for conceptual clarity we have learned you have to be comfortable with statement because chances are very high they ask question based on statement. वो statement ही देंगे. So 1, 3, 5 are on adjacent faces. Second statement is 3, 4, 5 are on adjacent faces. My simple question to you based on this two statement, what you can conclude? One is opposite to 5. All faces are adjacent to each other. 1, 3. नहीं 1 के एडजेसेंट 4 फेस हो सकते हैं बट आपस में तो 3 ही एडजेसेंट होते हैं एक दूसरे के. हाँ जी, see here our type 2 is applicable for dice also, for statement also. Whenever you see two faces are common either on dice or statement, what you have to do, जो भी कॉमन दिखे काट दो. 3 से 3 कटेगा, 5 से 5 कटेगा. When two faces are common, 3 and 3 cancel, 5 and 5 cancel. What we can conclude? 1 is opposite of 5. Without any doubt, we can conclude in this question what is opposite of 1? 4. What is opposite of 4? 1. Let us try. Statement number 1, 2, 4, 6 are on adjacent faces. Second statement, 2, 3, 4 are on adjacent faces. 2, 3, 4 are adjacent to each other. Based on this two statement, what we can conclude? 3 is opposite to 6. What we have to do? 2 से 2 cancel, 4 से 4 cancel. So 3 and 6 opposite. So we can directly conclude here 3 and 6. Wherever you have 3 faces, out of 3 faces, 2 faces are common, cancel out. If die is given, then also. If statement given, then also. इस चेयर पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम है थोड़ी सी ना, इस चेयर पे बैठने वाला एक स्टेप आगे चलता है, रुको अभी. 1, 2, 3 are on adjacent faces. Two, 3, 4 are on adjacent faces. पहले इसका आंसर बताओ. What we can conclude here? 1 is opposite of 4. How come? 2 and 2 cancel, 3 and 3 cancel, so 1 and 4 opposite. Fine. Now, question. 1, 3, 5 are on adjacent faces. ठीक है, 2, 3, 4 यही चाह रहे थे ना, are on adjacent faces. Okay, what you can conclude? नहीं, मैं सिर्फ ये चाह रहा हूं कि what you can conclude, कुछ भी नहीं. हाँ जी, based on this true statement, what you can confirm? Nothing. We don't know the current position. हाँ जी. 6 is opposite to 3. 5 is opposite to 4. 1 is opposite to 2. अच्छा. There are the students, they conclude here 1 and 2 opposite, 5 and 4 opposite, 6 and 3 opposite. But wait here. See, you thought ki 1 and 2, 6 and 3, 5 and 4. What is my statement that 2, 3, 4 are on adjacent faces? Okay. And but you have used 1 and 2 opposite, 3 and 6, 5 and 4. If I write here, my stand will be same. 2, 3, 4 are on adjacent faces. My statement is same. But now your answer will change. Now you will say 1 and 4 opposite, 5 and 2 opposite, 6 and 3 opposite. See, the point here is, if you want to use master method, you should know the exact position. Then only you can go clockwise. Master method is not applicable in case of statement. For master method, we should know the exact position. Otherwise, master method is not applicable. But you can't say that we cannot conclude anything. I told you everyone have 4 friends. So can we see clearly here 3 is friend to 1 or 1 is friend of 3? 1 is adjacent to 3. 5 is adjacent to 3. 4 is adjacent to 3. 2 is adjacent to 3. जब इसके चारों फ्रेंड पता चल गए तो पांचवा फ्रेंड थोड़ी ना होगा. Everyone have exactly 4 friends. So what we can conclude, since 3 is having 1, 5, 4 and 2 adjacent, we can confirm the remaining face. What is the remaining face? 6. 6 has to be opposite of 3. Here you cannot conclude all 3 pair. We can conclude only one pair, that is 3 is opposite of 6. But what will help? Property number 5. देखो property number 5 क्या लिखी है? Every face in a cube is having 4 faces adjacent to it and the remaining one will always be opposite of it. अगर आपको 4 adjacent face पता है तो you can directly conclude what will be opposite. So we can apply property number 5 here and we can say 3 is having 1 adjacent, 3 is having 5 adjacent, 3 is having 4 adjacent, 3 is having 2 adjacent. Here every face is having 4 faces into it and the remaining one will always be opposite of it. Tell me what is the remaining face? Face number 6. So 6 is opposite of 3, that we can conclude. But you cannot conclude all 3 pair. To conclude all three pair, we should know the exact position. मास्टर मेथड की यही लिमिटेशन है. फॉर मास्टर मेथड वी शुड नो द एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन, but in statement we don't know the position. That is the problem. Let us try one more question. Statement number 1, 2, 4, 6 are on adjacent faces. Online student, is this clear? Or you can try this question. You will have better idea. 3, 4, 5 are on adjacent faces. Based on this two statement, what we can conclude? If you have two faces common, cancel out, but here only one face common, that is face number 4. When only one face common, your property number 5 will help you. Every face is having 4 faces adjacent to it, and the remaining one is always opposite of it. So 4 is having 2 adjacent, 4 is having 6 adjacent, 4 is having 3 adjacent, 4 is having 5 adjacent. What about the remaining one? 1. So 1 will be opposite of 4, because this is property number 5. Every face in a cube is having 4 faces adjacent to it, and remaining one is always opposite of it. Fine. Any doubt? Online students? Now here we have done the basic. Now we have to discuss miscellaneous question, especially the question which has been asked in UPSC previous year, one by one. See here in this handout, question number 1 to question number 19 is your homework. 1 से लेके 19 is your homework. I will start with question number 20. And I tell you, it's not for 2024 कि किस्मत ने साथ दिया, like questions get repeated, even earlier also. I think this question asked by UPSC in 2015. Don't know the exact year, maybe 15 or 16. Check करके बता दूंगा. But I discussed the same question since 2012. Same question. So UPSC has taken exactly same, even the comma also at the same position. Okay, same alphabet, everything same. So what we can conclude, UPSC has taken question from my handout. I will not take credit of this, क्योंकि मैंने खुद नहीं बनाया. Even I have taken this question from somewhere. कहां से लिया मैंने? UPSC से ही लिया. Same question asked by UPSC prior to 2011 also in GMA part, GS paper. So here even the question asked in 1997, 98 still relevant for UPSC CSAT. Question asked in assistant commandant CPF still relevant for UPSC CSAT. Anyways, we come to this. Each of the 6 different faces of a cube has been coated with different color, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange. Following information is given. These 4 information are given. First information is color yellow, orange, blue are on the adjacent faces. It means yellow, orange, blue are adjacent to each other. Second statement is indigo, green and yellow are on the adjacent faces. Third statement is blue, green, yellow are on the adjacent faces. Fourth statement is orange, violet and blue are on the adjacent faces. Then question is asked, which is the color of the face opposite of face colored with orange. They ask what is opposite of orange. I will solve this question for you. I take 3 steps. Then my expectation is you will tell me how to handle this question with 1 step. First, what I do, I take statement 2 and 3. What is statement number 2? Indigo, green, yellow, blue, green, yellow. तो कैन आई से ग्रीन एंड ग्रीन कैंसल, जहां पे भी 2 फेस कॉमन है कैंसल आउट, ग्रीन से ग्रीन कैंसल, येलो एंड येलो कैंसल. तो कैन आई कंक्लूड इंडिगो इज अपोजिट ऑफ ब्लू. सो दिस इज फर्स्ट पेयर और दिस इज द फर्स्ट कपल, इंडिगो एंड ब्लू अपोजिट. I repeat, you take second and third statement. By using second and third statement, I can conclude indigo and blue opposite. Then next is, we will use first and the fourth statement. Yellow, orange, blue, orange, violet, blue, orange and orange cancel, blue and blue cancel. So yellow is opposite of violet. This is second pair. I repeat, first statement yellow, orange, blue. Fourth statement orange, violet, blue. Orange, orange cancel, blue, blue cancel. Yellow and violet opposite. This is the second couple, second pair. Have I told you in the last class, once you know the 2 pair, you can conclude the third pair? What are the color used? Orange, green, indigo, blue, yellow, violet. What are the remaining 2 color? Orange and green. So orange and green will conclude the third couple. So what is opposite of orange? Has to be green, क्योंकि ये बचा हुआ थर्ड कपल है. आपको अगर 2 पेयर पता है, you can conclude the third pair by using remaining 2 color. Okay, but it is lengthy. I'm taking time nearly 50 seconds. I'm comparing statement to statement 3. Then I'm taking 1 and 4. Then I go 2 pair. I conclude the third pair. You can find the answer within 10 seconds if you compare statement number 1 and 4. तो मैं ले चुका हूं. एक स्टेप में आंसर निकाल सकते हो आप लोग. मैंने 3 स्टेप लिया. आई हैव टेकन 3 स्टेप, 1 2 3. You can find answer within 10 seconds and 1 step if you compare statement number 1 and 3. You directly compare or take statement number 1 and 3. What is statement number 1? Yellow, orange, blue. What about third statement? Blue, green, yellow. So what we can do, blue and blue cancel, yellow and yellow cancel. Direct answer, what is opposite of orange? Green. What is opposite of green? Orange. Because it can be asked in data sufficiency. They give this 4 statement. They will ask how many statements are required to find what is opposite of orange. You can say only 2 statements are required, which are statement number 1 and 3. Only statement number 1 and 3 is sufficient to give your answer. देख लो, 1 और 3 यूज करके भी मैं आंसर निकाल रहा हूं. मैंने 2 को खत्म कर दिया. I don't need 4. Statement number 1 is yellow, orange, blue. Statement number 3 is blue, green, yellow. Our concept is blue and blue cancel, yellow and yellow cancel. We can directly find what is opposite of orange, green. That is our answer. Then some students, they ask their genuine doubt, especially category 1 student. Sir, in exam, how we come to know that we have to compare statement 1 and 3? Okay. Practice make man perfect. Women as well. Practice करनी पड़ेगी आपको. Is this clear? Are you okay if I compare statement 1 and 3, I get the answer? या नहीं समझ में आ रहा? Blue से blue cancel किया, yellow से yellow. जब भी 2 फेस कॉमन है, you have to use that shortcut of type 2. This is the shortcut of type 2. When 2 faces common, directly cancel out and you can conclude orange and green opposite, 100% applicable. Fine. कैसे, कौन कौन से में? अच्छा 1 और 4 से भी आंसर आ रहा है क्या? पता नहीं, देखना पड़ेगा, वो एंगल मैंने आज तक सोचा नहीं है। हाँ जी, 1 क्या है? येलो, ऑरेंज, ब्लू, ऑरेंज, वॉयलेट, ब्लू। हाँ जी, किसको लूं मैं सेंटर में? किस किस के? हाँ भी बोल रहे हो, ऑरेंज के एडजेसेंट येलो। ठीक है, आईपीएस में अभी आपको और मेहनत करने की जरूरत है। ब्लू, वॉयलेट, दो चीजें मिक्स नहीं होती मैडम। या तो आप प्रॉपर्टी 5 यूज करेंगे या कैंसल वाला जो टाइप 2 है। प्रॉपर्टी 5 टाइप 1 में थी, टाइप 1 का कोई भी कंसेप्ट टाइप 2 में नहीं लगेगा, टाइप 2 का कंसेप्ट टाइप 1 में लगा। सर बताओ अब आगे क्या करूं मैं? देख रहे हो इसमें सिर्फ ऑरेंज नहीं ब्लू भी कॉमन है, दो फेसेस कॉमन होते हैं ना, यू कैन नॉट कंक्लूड। अभी एक ऑरेंज का फ्रेंड और निकालना है, दैट इज द इश्यू विद 1 and 4। ओके, 1 और 4 में प्रॉपर्टी 5 इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल। Why? Because orange के only 3 adjacent faces you can find. You can't find the 4 adjacent faces of orange if you use first and the fourth statement. यहाँ पे आपका type 2 applicable है. How come? Orange and orange cancel, blue and blue cancel, yellow and violet opposite. But this is not our question. It is not our question. They have not asked what is opposite of violet. They asked what is opposite of orange. Either you can go long method, compare second and third, 1 and 4. Then you get. Or directly use statement number 1 and statement number 3. You use statement number 1 and statement number 3. Statement number 1 is yellow, orange, blue. Statement number 3 is blue, green, yellow. So here blue से blue cancel, yellow से yellow cancel. So this is orange and green opposite. Wait, give me 5 minutes. See, some student they really concern ki how we come to know that we have to compare statement 1 with statement 3 and immediately we get answer. Let me discuss one more question. I give you an idea. Just give me 5 minutes. Come to question number 23. Question number 23 here is, each of the different faces of a cube has been coated with different color, that is red, yellow, blue, green, white and orange. Following information is given. They have given this 4 information: color white, orange, blue are on the adjacent faces, color yellow. Let me tell you one idea which help you for your preparation. See here, अभी क्वेश्चन मत सोल्व करो, मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ रहा हूं. If there is a paragraph and there is a line, for you which is easy to remember, paragraph or line? And if it is a line or a word, which is more comfortable? Similarly here in GS this technique will help you, and in CSAT exam also it will help you. See, when you read your content in GS, what you will find, every paragraph is around one theme. उस पैराग्राफ में कोई एक वर्ड थीम होती है. You identify that word and you can write on left hand side. ये उस पर फोकस करना, because later on when you have to revise, no need to read the entire paragraph again. You have to just read the theme of that paragraph. उस पैराग्राफ किस heading of the paragraph you can say. It's like heading. First reading में you have to read the paragraph. Second reading में you have to read only heading or subheading. Don't read the entire paragraph because your mind will recall the paragraph. Similarly, in our reasoning topic, puzzle questions, when we have this type of information, if you compare first statement with second statement, you give more information to the mind. But if you give me less information, our mind can do best analysis. अब जैसे क्या है, many students they do, काफी लोग यही करते हैं. Here white का लिख लेते हैं W, ठीक है. Here first is WOP. Simple coding. W means white, O means orange, B means blue. You are giving less information. Try to minimize the information so that your mind can do the best analysis. What is the second information? Yellow, YGW. Yellow, green, white. Third information is blue, green, and white. Fourth information is orange, red, and blue. Now the concept. Now here question is, which is the color of the face opposite of face colored with orange? They ask what is opposite of orange. Fine. Now I give an idea how we can handle this question in single step. So here what you do, what is asked? Opposite of orange. Before I tell you the solution, I tell you one example, and I use the same technique later also. Any one of you have been to Sarojini Nagar market? For you, for your friend, ठीक है? Sarojini Nagar market जहाँ पे गर्ल्स के कपड़े मिलते हैं, ठीक है? And even in the Karolbagh market also, try to observe different type of customer there. You will find a typical auntie there. दिखेगी आपको लड़ती हुई वहां दुकानदार के साथ. And she has done PhD in bargaining. ठीक है? What she has done, there are two articles, 1 and 2. ठीक है, ये और ये. She want to purchase this, but she know very well if she will show the interest for this, दुकानदार के भाव बढ़ जाएंगे. अगर बोल दिया नहीं ये अच्छा है, what she will do, she will reject कि इसका ये बटन टूटा हुआ है, इसकी बाजू छोटी बड़ी है. आंटी वो डिजाइन है, ठीक है, इसकी तारीफ करेगी आंटी कि ये अच्छा है, ये अच्छा है. लेना वो है, इसमें कलर सही नहीं है, कलर लाइट है. आंटी ये सोबर कलर टाइप है, नहीं नहीं लाइट है ये वो. So what she will do bargaining. Finally she purchase this only, क्योंकि आंटी को खरीदना ही है. तो same thing we will do here. What we have to find? Opposite of green. आपके माइंड में टास्क क्लियर होना चाहिए. What we have to find? Opposite of green. So first you see the statement where, first we have to find opposite of orange. So first you check the statement where orange is used. So you can see fourth statement and the first statement. First we try fourth statement. So in fourth statement you can see this is orange, red and blue used. You have to find what is opposite of orange, but you don't focus on orange. Distract करना है. You focus on red and blue. Try to trace other statement where you can find red and blue so that we can cancel red, we can cancel blue, so we get answer. But unfortunately, we don't have any other statement where red and blue is given. So statement 4 will not help. Now you check statement number 1. Statement number 1, they have given white, orange, blue. What is our task? Opposite of orange. बट ऑरेंज पे ध्यान मत देना, भाव बढ़ जाएंगे. दूसरों पे ध्यान देना, ठीक है. यू फोकस ऑन. अरे सर मैं व्हाइट और ब्लू की बात कर रहा हूं. मंद मंद हंस रहे, ठीक है. दूसरों पे ध्यान देना चाहिए. व्हाइट एंड ब्लू. इफ यू फोकस ऑन व्हाइट एंड ब्लू, इट मीन्स we will see other statement where we can trace white and blue so that white and white cancel, blue and blue cancel, और हमारा काम बन जाएगा. And luckily we got the third statement where we have white and blue. Orange will not help. निकालना orange के opposite है, but you have to use other two face. Take help of other two face. Here we get third statement where we have blue, orange, white, blue and blue cancel, white and white cancel, so you get orange and green opposite. So in this technique, if they are looking for, or we are looking for opposite of orange, you see orange where orange is used, but after that you focus on other two faces. White से white cancel, blue से blue cancel. Other two faces are more important to find the answer. वो अपनी जान दे रहे हैं और आप उनकी इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं समझ रहे हो. व्हाइट से व्हाइट कट रहा है, ठीक है, ब्लू से ब्लू कट रहा है. फाइन. Let me try one more question. 1, 3, 5 adjacent to each other. 3, 4, 5 adjacent to each other. One, 3, 6 adjacent to each other. My question is, what is opposite of 5? Step number 1, you see where 5 is used. Start with first statement. But what is important when we are looking for opposite of 5, you focus on other two faces. आपका ध्यान 1 और 3 पे होना चाहिए. 5 का आंसर निकलेगा. We are looking for another statement where we can trace 1 and 3 so that 1 and 1 cancel, 3 and 3 cancel, answer आएगा. तो luckily we got third statement 1, 3, 1 से 1 cancel, 3 से 3 cancel, we get answer 5 and 6 opposite. So in statement based question, what they ask important, but other two faces are more important. कई बार जिसको टारगेट कर रहे हो उसके फ्रेंड हेल्प कर देते हैं, ये वो टेक्निक है. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. Okay, this is also UPSC previous year question. Take time, I draw this here. A cube has 6 number marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on its faces. 3 view of the cube are shown below. What possible number can exist on the two faces marked A and B respectively on the cube? There are answer options given, so you have to find what will come A and B respectively. Done? What is your answer? Achha, A. Okay, let me discuss. They ask what will come at place of A and B respectively. What will help? This 5 will help actually. And there are multiple ways. We revise the concept also. Master method, first and second view. If they give more than 2 views, it doesn't mean we have to use all the views. Any 2 relevant view are useful. जैसे first और second को use कर लो. What is the common face? 1, only 1. We can apply master method. 1, 4, 6, 1, 3, 2. By applying master method, can we say 6 and 2 opposite, 4 and 3 opposite, 1 and 5 opposite? I don't need this information. I need only this information that 1 and 5 opposite to mark the correct answer. Can we confirm 1 and 5 opposite by using master method? Even property 5, let us revise property 5. Every face in a cube is having 4 faces adjacent, remaining 1 opposite. Use first and second view. 1 is having 4 as a friend, 1 is having 6 as a friend, 1 is having 3 as a friend, 1 is having 2 as a friend. Every face is having 4 faces adjacent to it, remaining 1 opposite of it. What is the remaining face? Face number 5. So it means 5 is opposite of 1. Even note this. यहाँ पे तो नहीं, चलो. So it means, can we say 1 is opposite of 5? Is this clear? Any doubt? If I say in this particular question 1 and 5 opposite, is this clear? Where is 5? On the right side. If 5 is on right side, where will be 1? Left side. Means 1 is enemy of 5. 1 5 के साथ बैठ के दारू नहीं पी पाएगा. A is adjacent to 5, B is adjacent to 5. There is one technique called elimination technique. I try answer option B. These are the value of A and B respectively. So according to answer option B, जिसने B answer mark किया, for example, you are saying 6 and 1. If you say A is 6, I don't have any problem. But when you say B is 1, I have problem. Because how come 1 will be adjacent of 5? According to our concept, 1 has to be opposite of 5. That means something wrong here. Because of this 1, it is wrong. 1 cannot be adjacent of 5 because we have proved 1 has to be opposite of 5. If anyone mark answer C, you take A1, B4. A, B4, okay, but A1, there is a problem. 1 cannot be adjacent of 5 because of this 1, it is wrong. Then answer option D, 3 and 1. If you put A3, B1, A3, there is no problem. B1, problem. I think in our childhood only, all of us understood one thing. If B wrong, C wrong, D wrong, A correct. और बचा ही क्या? अगर B गलत है, C गलत है, D गलत है, तो A को तो करेक्ट होना ही पड़ेगा. So what is our answer? 2 and 3. Because of this 1, 1, 1, it is not possible. Because we know 1 has to be opposite of 5. 1 cannot be adjacent of 5. A1 wrong, B1 wrong. A and B cannot be wrong. So in this given question, B, C, D is wrong. Correct answer is A. Clear? अच्छा, category 1 student, ठीक है. What she want to discuss this question in detail. ठीक है, बादाम खा के आए हो. See here, I changed the answer option of this question. Online students, what UPSC has asked, UPSC asked level 1 question. Level 1 question मतलब easily manageable if you eliminate the wrong answers. But there is a doubt of offline student. If in answer options there are multiple answer options where 1 is not available. अभी हमने सोल्व किया कि वन आंसर नहीं होना चाहिए, दैट्स व्हाई वी एलिमिनेटेड बी सी डी एंड वी गॉट इजी आंसर ए. But there may be more than one answer option where one is not available or elimination technique is not applicable. अगर इस क्वेश्चन को लेवल 2 पे ले जाए, where we have to solve this question like here with concept, not only because of elimination technique. So here question is same, what will come at place of A and B respectively. ठीक है, मैं लिख रहा हूं फाइन. This is statement number 1, statement number 2, statement number 3, statement number 4. What will come at place of A and B respectively? Out of this, how many are correct? Only 1, only 2, only 3, all 4. Out of this 4 pair, for the value of A and B respectively, how many values are correct? How many pair are correct? Only 1 pair is correct. वो तो पता ही चल गया आपको, 2 and 3 तो correct है, तो ये तो होगा ही होगा. Only 1 तो correct है ये. But we have to check if 3 and 6 is possible, 6 and 4 possible, 4 and 2 possible. I give you 1.5 minutes. Are you getting the question? Are you able to understand the question? Question is, these are the 3 views of same dice is given like this, then it is given 5, and we know opposite of 5 is 1, confirm it is A and B. What will come at place of A and B respectively? Question क्या है? A and B respectively. And where I have given you 4 pair, 2 and 3, 3 and 6, 6 and 4, 4 and 2, only 1 pair correct, only 2 pair correct, only 3 pair correct, all 4 correct. Take time, 1.5 minutes, think about this question. Any one of you not understood the question? अच्छा, पहले वाला आ गया. The last question you have understood. See here, this is UPSC previous year question. They have given this 3 view, they have given this 5, they have not given 1, they have given A and B. They ask what will come at place of A and B respectively. They have given answer option, easy answer option, but we have इंक्रीज द डिफिकल्टी लेवल कि मैं पूछना चाह रहा हूं ए और बी के प्लेस पे 2 और 3 आ सकता है कि नहीं, यस और नो. एट प्लेस ऑफ ए एंड बी कैन वी पुट 3 and 6, यस और नो. एट प्लेस ऑफ ए एंड बी कैन वी पुट 6 and 4, यस और नो. एट प्लेस ऑफ ए एंड बी कैन वी पुट 4 and 2, yes or no. This is my question, and out of this how many are correct, how many are wrong? Only 1 pair correct. इनमें से कौन कौन सा, या ये भी छोड़ दो. Out of this tell me which are correct, which are wrong. Is this correct? Is this correct? Is this correct? Is this correct? तो फिर समझाना ही क्या है? I will explain. See here. Now for this level question you have to be good in imagination or visualization. See what we will do, we apply our master method. Common phase 1, 1, 4, 6, 1, 3, 2. So we know 2 and 6 opposite, 3 and 4 opposite, 1 and 5 opposite. Try to put the value. Here it is 5, it is 1. Confirm. But now here, if it is 1 here, it is 2 here, it is 3 here. If it is 1 here, if I put 2 instead of A, I put 2 here. 1, 2, ऊपर गया 3. So where will be 3? Bottom or top? Top पे. Top पे. So 3 will be at top. And what is opposite of 3? 4. If 3 is on the top, where will be 4? Bottom. And what is opposite of 2? 6. If 2 will be here, where will be 6? At the back. I repeat, step number 1 is we apply master method. Step 2 is we try to fill the number in the given dice. Then step number 3 here is, you can understand easily here, especially category 1 student, this is like this. 5, 2, 3, 1. It's like वो बच्चे का झूला होता है जैसे. You cannot say 2 and 3 is a fixed position. Here you can see front 2, top 3. Correct? 2 and 3 is okay. It means we are looking for the number which will be in the front and top respectively. You rotate this. झूला तो घूम जाएगा ना. So it will be 3 and 6. ये 6 and 9 here. 3 and 6. If you rotate, 3 will be in the front, 6 will be on the top. Rotate once more. ठीक है? If you rotate one more time, your correct answer will be 6 here, 4 here. If you rotate one more time, you have 4 here, 2 here. So it means keep on rotating. 2 and 3 is also correct. Next correct answer is 3 and 6. Rotate one more time, 6 and 4 is also correct. Rotate one more time, you get 4 and 2 also correct. So we don't have one single correct answer for this question. Actually, we have 4 correct answer, but examiner has helped you. मतलब ऐसे ही examiner को गाली मत दिया करो. There is a way to solve the question. Sometimes I say, if you will be the examiner, no one will pass the CSAT. आप जिस तरह के क्वेश्चन मेरे से पूछते ना सर 6 डिजिट नंबर प्राइम नंबर पूछ ले तो एग्जामिनर आपकी हेल्प करता है. दे आस्क द क्वेश्चन व्हिच कैन बी सॉल्व एंड यू आस्क द क्वेश्चन व्हिच कैन नॉट बी सॉल्व. क्वेश्चन में कुछ ना कुछ कैच मिलेगा. एग्जामिनर हैज फ्रेम्ड क्वेश्चन इन सच ए वे वेयर यू एलिमिनेट 1 1 1 you get the answer. But it is level 2 question where we have multiple correct answer. The concept here is you keep on rotating this, you get one new answer. 2 and 3 is also correct. You rotate 3 and 6 is also correct. You rotate one more time, 6 and 4 is also correct. You rotate one more time, 4 and 2 is also correct. Or if you want to try, what you can do for miscellaneous question category 1 student, you can take eraser. ठीक है, इरेजर लेने का है, उसको इसी तरह बिहेव लाइक 5 here 1 here you write and keep on rotating and you will have better clarity. Either see here you can visualize in your mind. If you are very good in visualization, then there is no need of eraser. Otherwise category 1 student try to check the same question on eraser. Eraser लेने का, एक तरफ 5 लिखने का, एक तरफ 1, and you write opposite faces 2 and 6 opposite, 3 and 4 opposite. Keep on rotating this. You get 4 correct answer: 2 and 3, 3 and 6, 6 and 4, 4 and 2. But UPSC has given only one correct answer so that you can eliminate other 3 answer. We get 2 and 3 as a correct answer. Anji. कौन कौन सा? नहीं, how it will help? Third and this will. Second और third में तो like which is common? 3 is common, yes. What she is saying, can we compare third and the question figure? How it will help? Tell me. You want to say 5 is here so that on the top you can put 3, then you check 1 and 2. फिर 1 और 2 को तो यूज करना ही पड़ेगा. तो how it will help? 5 is common, then हाँ, then AB. AB is like XY, which are unknown. So it means you can say A is 3, B is 6. Or 3 is opposite of A, B is opposite of 6. Then how it will help from the answer options? अच्छा, उसमें जब मैंने चेंज किया था, बट नॉट ओनली 3 and 6, आई एम सेइंग ऑल 4 आर करेक्ट. तो उसके हिसाब से तो आप 3 और 6 बोल रहे हो, बट A, B, C, D जो मैंने अभी चारों आंसर लिखे थे, चारों ठीक थे वो. बट 3 और 6 तो गिव यू ओनली वन पेयर ना. ठीक है. ओके फाइन. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. Question number 22 here is, a cuboid has, अच्छा I take one more question then we will have test. मतलब ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट रिमाइंड करा रहे हैं कि हाँ टाइम हो गया. A cuboid has 6 sides of different color. Red side is opposite to black, blue side is adjacent to white, brown side is adjacent to blue, red side is face down. Which one of the following would be opposite of brown? First you try 1.5 minutes. Question number 22. Then I give you 2 method. Then we will have test. There are 9 questions. उसमें से 8 तो आप ऐसे चुटकियों में करोगे. एक क्वेश्चन ऐसा है which I have not discussed yet that we can do tomorrow. हाँ जी, ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. ट्राई, टेक योर टाइम. Done. I give you 2 methods in this type of question. See, examiner will not give you a diagram, but you can make diagram. आप तो बना सकते हैं ना. What I suggest you can make a cuboid or cube. Cuboid has 6 sides of different color. Red side is opposite to black. Okay, first information. Blue side is adjacent to white. Brown side is adjacent to blue. Red side is face down. Okay. See here. Red side is face down. Okay. So it means we know the fixed position of red. So what you do, you fix red here. So it's not like very first statement will help you. This will help you first. यहाँ पे fix पता है red is face down. Tell me then what will help you? Red is opposite to black. तो red के opposite black. तो ये हो गया black. Then we have 2 more statement. Then blue is adjacent to white, brown is adjacent to blue. Blue is adjacent to white and brown is adjacent to blue. Anyone here category 1 student? How many of you think you are category 1? Sir. Your choice. Where you want to put blue, except top and bottom. Because top and bottom are already red and black. Right side. He want me to put blue on the right side. Blue on this side. Now my simple question to you, think and answer. If you ask me to put blue on the right side, can I put white on the left side? Where blue and white has to be adjacent. Can you put white opposite of blue? Can you put brown opposite of blue? No. So it means at this phase you cannot put white or brown. You need two positions which are adjacent to blue where you can put white and brown. You have a choice. You can fix blue anywhere, front, left, right, back. But after that, you can't put white opposite of blue. You can't put brown opposite of blue. You have front and back available to you. You have a choice. If you want to put white here, then you have to put brown here. If you want to put brown here, then you have to put white here. So can we say in all the possibilities, white and brown will be opposite? So what is opposite of brown? White. Or like here, if for example any one of you want to put blue in front, अगर आप में से कोई चाह रहा है कि blue जो है front में होना चाहिए, tell me, can you put white at the back? No, you can't put white opposite of blue. And similarly, you can't put brown opposite of blue. You have only two faces available to you, left and right. On one you can put white, on another you can put brown. So it means in all the cases white and brown will be opposite to each other. So what is opposite of brown? White. This is first method where you can draw the cube. Second method is elimination technique. These are the four answer options available. It is clearly mentioned that blue is adjacent to white. Yeah, brown is adjacent to blue. In this statement, it is clearly mentioned brown side is adjacent to blue. They ask what is opposite of brown. So blue not possible because blue is already adjacent to brown. So blue cannot be opposite of brown. Is this clear? जब blue और brown adjacent है तो वो opposite कैसे हो सकता है? And here this statement red is opposite to black. भाई रेड और ब्लैक का आपस में कुछ चल रहा है, बीच में ब्राउन का ऐसे घुसा दोगे, ब्राउन के अपोजिट रेड नहीं आ सकता, ब्लैक नहीं आ सकता, बिकॉज रेड एंड ब्लैक आर सेट एंड असाइड. उन्होंने अपना एक कपल बना लिया और साइड निकल लिया. तो रेड एंड ब्लैक आर ऑलरेडी सेट, देयर इज नो स्कोप ऑफ ब्राउन इन बिटवीन. तो बचा क्या? व्हाइट. रेड एंड ब्लैक हो नहीं सकता बिकॉज रेड एंड ब्लैक आर ऑलरेडी अपोजिट टू ईच अदर. There is no scope of brown to be opposite of red. There is no scope of brown to be opposite of red or black. Blue already adjacent है, बचा white. Can you eliminate answer option A, B and D? बचा क्या? White. Okay. Fine. Remaining question I will discuss tomorrow. It will take nearly 1 hour. Plus I will take test दे दो. I take cutting of cube. That will also take 1 hour. ठीक है, कल 2 घंटे में कंप्लीट हो ही जाएगा. Today's test there are 9 questions. Question number 7 we have not discussed yet. 8 also, but easily manageable. 7 and 8 if you want to skip you can skip. So remaining question you can try. बाकी तो हो जाएंगे. All of you got the test? सबको अपने पास एक गलत है. And 7 8 also. 7 और 8 छोड़ के हो गया ना. Except 7 and 8 you have done. 8 done. 8 तो हो सकता है। Yes, 8 you can manage क्योंकि easy है। 7 I will discuss tomorrow. Done. Wait, I give the answer on board. सबका ही हो गया। All of you done? Can I give the answers? Online students, you tell me question number 1, what is your answer? Question number 1 answer is C. Question number 2, C. Question number 3, B Bombay. Question number 4, B. Question number 5, A. Question number 6, A. Question number 7, D. If you have done D, I will discuss tomorrow. Question number 8, B Bombay. Question number 9, D. I repeat, C, C, B, B, A, D, B, D. Tomorrow we will complete this. What is your homework? You have to do question number 1 to question number 19, and you have to revise the property and this short trick, what we have discussed today. You can try remaining question also if you can. Otherwise, I will discuss remaining question tomorrow. Then I take one part cutting off. Okay. Those who are not having any doubt, they can skip the class. They can leave the class. Those who are having doubt, they can wait here. Question number 7, I will not take today. If you have doubt in 7, don't wait. 7, I have to discuss the concept tomorrow. Then I will take. I will not take doubt of question number 7. Any other doubt, you can wait here.
वैसे ही हो सकता था क्या? इससे टू से टू वो कर दे।
काटने में 2 फेस होने चाहिए, सिंगल फेस नहीं काटना है। हाँ, टाइप 2 में 2 फेस कॉमन होंगे तभी कटिंग करनी है, सिंगल फेस कॉमन में कटिंग नहीं करनी। सिंगल फेस में क्लॉकवाइज, 2 फेस कॉमन है तब हम कटिंग करते हैं। इधर आ जाओ, इधर आ जाओ, ऊपर आ जाओ आराम से। ये मैंने कल डाउट सेशन में बताया था, अगर क्वेश्चन में रेक्टेंगल एंड स्क्वायर्स दोनों पूछे तो रेक्टेंगल निकालने होते हैं, क्योंकि सारे स्क्वायर रेक्टेंगल में ऑलरेडी इंक्लूड है। हाँ, इसमें कितने रेक्टेंगल? 36, तो ये आंसर हो गया, क्योंकि स्क्वायर ऑलरेडी रेक्टेंगल में इंक्लूड है। हाँ, ये मैं डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ वेडनेसडे को, मैं यही डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ। जो एक्स्ट्रा क्लास है ना, उसमें मैं कवर कर दूंगा ये। हाँ, यू कैन डू, टॉपिक वाइज है ना, यू कैन रेफर इट।
अदर देन इंडिया
दिस इज ओके विद द टॉपिक। जैसे आज जो डाइस टॉपिक किया, यू कैन रेफर द पीवाईक्यू फ्रॉम दिस। हाँ हाँ, ठीक है, उनसे मिलते रहना, हफ्ते में एक बार मिल लेना। हाँ हाँ, ठीक है, ओके। नहीं, पहले ही थी। ये तो कल डाउट सेशन में भी पूछा था, 100 ही मानना है। आप x क्यों मान रहे हो? 100 मानो ना। 100 को 3/5 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, इंस्टेड ऑफ मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5/3, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 60 इंस्टेड ऑफ 500/3। पहले निकालो 60 इज व्हाट परसेंटेज ऑफ दिस? 60 अपॉन 500/3 इंटू 100%। फिर एरर आ जाएगा, ये 36%, ये 36% आएगा। फिर एरर क्या होगा? 100 - 36, 64% एरर आ जाएगा। क्योंकि ये 36 आ रहा है ना, रिजल्ट आपका अगर 36% आएगा, बचा हुआ एरर आएगा।
वाइज होते हैं टॉपिक वाइज, ये मतलब इस वेबसाइट पे मिलेंगे या ऑफलाइन लेना पड़ेगा?
अभी रुक जाओ, मैं या तो पीडीएफ शेयर करा देता हूँ आपको, ठीक है? कोई सा
मेरा एक एग्जाम था सर इसको वो है टेस्ट दे के आऊं या रहने दूं? इसका लास्ट है, प्री था, मेंस का हो गया, वो है।
दिया हो क्या? इशू है, इंटरव्यू है। हाँ तो दिया हो, क्या दिक्कत है? 3 दिन
तीसरा
हाँ तो जाओ, क्या इशू? एक दिन
कुछ खरीदी में तो यूपीएससी नॉलेज पे देख के आया था।
हाँ बढ़िया है, फिर प्री मेंस हो गया तो इंटरव्यू भी हो जाएगा। कोर्ट का है ना।
कोर्ट का मैंने वैसे ही दिया तो सर दूं या ना दूं?
दे दो, इंटरव्यू में क्या जा रहा है, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं।
बिना पढ़े चला जाए।
मस्त होके जाओ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में कॉमन क्या है भाई?
इसमें कॉमन 1 है,
तो 1 से क्या करेंगे?
क्लॉकवाइज
कैसे स्टार्ट होएगा?
1 to 3
और यहाँ पे
1 6 5
अब पूछ क्या रहा है?
6
6 इज एट द बॉटम,
अच्छा
तो 6 का अपोजिट क्या होगा?
2
ये तुम्हारा है मेरा है?
आप
हाँ जी। कौन सा?
थोड़ा पर्सनल
क्या? अच्छा बाद में पूछ लेना फिर।
यहीं पे होना सर 7:30
हाँ यही। हाँ जी।
तो अगर साइड कॉमन होगी तो तीसरे साइड फाइंड नहीं कर सकते, बट ऐसा हो सकता है 4 के अपोजिट 3 और 6 के अपोजिट 1 जो
कैसे कंफर्म करेंगे? उल्टा भी तो हो सकता है। नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैंने आपको पिछली क्लास में भी बोला था, यू कांट यूज स्टैंडर्डाइज। नहीं, इस टॉपिक में स्टैंडर्डाइज नहीं यूज होता है।
मुझे वो लगा।
नहीं नहीं नहीं। हाँ ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 बता रहे थे। आई डिस्कस क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 को अभी तो मैंने क्यूबॉइड पढ़ाया नहीं, पढ़ा दूंगा, लेकिन इसमें ये देखो 2 के एडजेसेंट 5 है, 2 के एडजेसेंट 1 है, 2 के एडजेसेंट 6 है, 2 के एडजेसेंट 3 है। तो एवरी फेस इज हैविंग 4 एडजेसेंट, 1 अपोजिट, बचा क्या? 4 विल बी अपोजिट ऑफ 2। एडजेसेंट निकाल लो, चारों एडजेसेंट निकल जाएंगे इसमें। रोटेशन भी लगा सकते हो, रोटेशन भी लगा सकते हो, रोटेशन भी लग सकता है। नहीं नहीं कोई ना, क्योंकि क्यूबॉइड है इसलिए, बट रोटेशन लगता है बिल्कुल। 2 1 5 2 6 3, तो 2 और 4 आपका भी ठीक है, ये लग सकता है इसमें। अच्छा थोड़ा और क्रिस्प करो, जैसे ये आपने इन्फॉर्मेशन है ना, इसको आप और छोटा, क्योंकि फिर बल्कि नोट्स हो जाएंगे आपके लास्ट तक जाते जाते। ये सही किया आपने, एक एक एग्जांपल लिखा है, ये सही किया। नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर, सम ऑफ फैक्टर, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फैक्टर। ये बैक साइड खाली क्यों छोड़ रहे हो? फिर बल्कि हो जाएंगे ना आपके, अब बैक साइड खाली मत छोड़ो। ये सही है। प्रॉपर्टीज, परसेंटेज की टेबल होगी, सम इम्पोर्टेंट वन, मेथड, टाइप 1। ये भी आप ना जैसे 3 पेज पे चले गए, एक ही पेज पे टाइप 1 टाइप 2 टाइप 3 टाइप 4 थोड़ा कंसाइज कर सकते हो, ठीक है? सही है। ये जैसे जीएमए वाला किया है वैसे कर सकते थे, इसका एक एक एग्जांपल लिख लिया, सही है। ये क्यूबॉइड इसका हो गया, इसके आगे टाइप 1 टाइप 2 हो जाएगी। एक ही पेज पे करने की कोशिश करना, बाकी बढ़िया, थोड़ा बल्कि है। नहीं नहीं इसमें नहीं है। हाँ ये मिसिंग है, ये यूपीएससी पीवाईक्यू है, वेडनेसडे को मैं यही डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ।
नहीं सर, वो आपने जो वेबसाइट बताई थी वो उसका था 27।
ये हम पीएनसी के साथ करेंगे ऑक्टागन में ना। ऑक्टागन इस तरह के क्वेश्चन ना परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन की वजह से हेल्प हो जाएगी। हाँ जी ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, email ID where you have to submit notes, content आइए से तो है क्या है? क्या है वो कंटेंट आइए से तो कंटेंट नोट आइए से तो है? डॉट नहीं है, कंटेंट आई एस सेतु @gmail.com। दे दोबारा से बता, ठीक है ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, इट इज कंटेंट iassetu.com। Ravi, what if the given two dice have same number but in different position? Then can we find opposite faces? Yes. If it is at different position, that doesn't matter. Same position, different position, doesn't matter. My short tricks are, if dice are given, irrespective of the position, it is applicable. Ravi, it is applicable. You can apply it. Okay, online student, any other doubt? Question number 6. Okay, so I will take question number 6. Question number 6. अभी मैं वेडनेसडे को बताता हूँ, ठीक है? ग्रुप बनाएंगे ना, उसके हिसाब से हम मेल करेंगे। इट इज आस्क व्हाट इज अपोजिट ऑफ वॉयलेट, ठीक है? तो वी यूज फर्स्ट एंड द फोर्थ बिकॉज फर्स्ट वन इज येलो, ऑरेंज, ब्लू. द फोर्थ वन इज ऑरेंज, वॉयलेट, ब्लू. ऑरेंज एंड ऑरेंज कैंसल, ब्लू एंड ब्लू कैंसल. So what is opposite of violet? Yellow. To use first and the fourth, you get your answer. जैसे इसमें violet यूज है, तो violet के अलावा बाकी दो other two will help you. Orange and blue will help you, so that orange and orange cancel, blue and blue cancel, you get the answer. Fine. Question number 7 I will discuss tomorrow. Let me complete the topic. I will discuss later. So I'm not taking doubt of question number 7 today. Tomorrow I will discuss. हाँ जी, हाँ अगर इमेजिनेशन सही है तो सारे सही है, बस बढ़िया, फर्स्ट क्लास। हाँ अगर उससे हो जाए तो बढ़िया।
इसमें और जो आपने असाइनमेंट दिया थोड़े किया है, सब करेक्ट है।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आई विल टेक, वेट। हाँ जी, तुम्हें तो लंबा काम है ना। तुम्हारे टीचर मिले थे मेरे को, वो भी और PSIR वाले भी।
अरे वो बढ़िया था PSIR वाला।
Two different position of the same dice are shown below and digit 5 to be on the base. Which one among the following digit will be on the top? Which will be 5 के अपोजिट क्या होगा? अब इसमें कॉमन फेस क्या है? 1, तो 1 से स्टार्ट करके क्लॉकवाइज 1 5 6 1 4 3, तो 5 के अपोजिट क्या होगा? 4। 5 के अपोजिट पूछ रहा है, ये देखो कि पूछ क्या रहा है। तमन्ना, दे आर आस्किंग व्हाट इज अपोजिट ऑफ 5? Opposite of 5, our answer is 4. Fine. Any other doubt? हाँ जी बताओ। क्या इशू चल रहे हैं?
वही सर, डिस्ट्रैक्शन ब्रेक
कब हुआ है?
क्लास तो कर ली है सर। कुछ बेवजह गलती ना, मेरी गलती समझ लिया।
ओके, नहीं आकाश, आपको एक बार रिकॉर्डिंग देखनी पड़ेगी। अगर आपने लास्ट क्लास का लास्ट का 15 मिनट लेक्चर देखोगे तो सब समझ में आ जाएगा। उसमें अल्टरनेट जो होते हैं वो अपोजिट होते हैं, क्विकली बता देता हूँ, लेकिन आपको लास्ट लेक्चर देखना पड़ेगा। ये जैसे इस कॉलम में अल्टरनेट है तो 4 के अपोजिट 5 होगा, तो 4 के अपोजिट पूछा तो आंसर 5 होगा। ओके फाइन, ठीक है जी। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, सी यू टुमारो। ठीक है, ओके स्टूडेंट्स, फाइन, सी यू टुमारो एट 5 o'clock। बाय बाय, टेक केयर।